health analysis. So for identifying the disease in leaf. So project component consists of Raspberry Pi board, web camera. So we can use the camera for capturing the leaf image, and then we have the GSM modem, light indication, relay, battery for operating the pump. So total project consists of these components, and using pump we can spray the required urea to the plant to save the plant from the diseases. So project is written in Python programming language and based on TensorFlow AI algorithm. So let us see the working of the project. So initially we need to turn on the Raspberry Pi from the VNC viewer. So after running the project, it will ask for to select the leaf image from the existing folder, or we can also take the image of the leaf from the using camera. So based on the leaf, the analyzing will be started. After analyzing the leaf image with the existing trained dataset images, the result will be announced, like whether it is healthy leaf or unhealthy leaf. So if it is healthy leaf, this light indication will be in green in color. If it is unhealthy leaf, the light indication will be in red in color. And if it is the case of unhealthy, it will automatically send the SMS of the remedy, and also it will mail the remedy. So we will get the mail confirmation, also we will get the SMS confirmation, and automatically the pump of the corresponding urea will be turned on for spraying on the plant to prevent the plant from getting the disease spreaded more. So this is how the entire project works.